Hey guys, welcome back to another stream. So it's still night time and my furnace has finished cooking its meaties, so let's just grab that. Okay, so this episode we're going to try and get out of the snow biome, so I'm just going to be running through, not stopping for anything unless it's really awesome. So basically I'm going to try and, well, obviously I'm going to try and achieve everything all the mods have intended for me to achieve. But yeah, so basically what I want to try and do here, I don't think I'll be putting that hat on. Doesn't look overly interesting. But oh, what's this? Is that another one? Oh, they're everywhere. Oh. Okay, there we go. But yeah, I really want to, like, try and achieve all these, like, not finish, but, basically do everything that these mods allow me to do. So, I'm not the best with mods, so yeah, it might take quite a while, but we'll get there in the end. Oh, that looks like an awesome hat. I want it. Helicopter hat. I'm so putting that on. No. Yeah, rocking the helicopter hat. Okay, let's keep going. So we really got to get out of this snow biome. Oh, my sword's almost dead. But I do know a bit about a couple of the mods. What's up there? I see fire. Yeah, I do know a bit about a couple of the mods, like playing them from mod packs and everything. But most of them I just saw and looked really awesome, so I decided to give them a go. And why is the wall? What is it? Hold on, let me just kill these guys. Ow! What am I getting hit by? Oh god, I'm about to die. I need to eat some food. No! Oh god, they're everywhere. I got this. Yeah! Come at me! Come at me! Okay, I guess I'm just gonna stay here till night to wait for the zombies to burn so I can check out what that is. So yeah, I'll see you guys when it turns. Okay guys, we're back and it's daytime. I think all the mobs have gone. Okay, yeah, we're good. Let's check out what this thing is. Whoa. Just took my pork. I want that back. Can I get it back? I want it back. Can I... Whoa, what did I do? I don't think I... What is that? Shrine of Unity. That's creepy. If anyone know what that does, just comment down below. That would be awesome. Because that's weird. On my face. Okay, we're good. I'll try and sort out the frame rate by next episode, so yeah, don't worry about that. Oh, this big tree. This is gonna take ages to chop down. Absolutely ages. Dun, 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 dun. Oh god. Whoa, why is there a spawner? What is that? Wait, how much wood did I get? 50, holy crap. Oh god, okay, let's just grab this. Oh god, okay, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, that's cool, there's a spawner. Oh, is that a chest? There's a chest. Oh, goodies, I found stuff. Thaumium hoe. Oh, chests are... My inventory's already full, that's ridiculous. That's awesome, we found loot in the first episode, second episode even. Okay, let's just grab some more string for some booze. Okay, cool. I think that's enough. Oh, there's some more wood up there. Okay, yeah, that's enough. I got 64. No, okay, I got 64 and 3. Let's grab some saplings. How many saplings have I got? 5, okay. I'm gonna need... Oh god. I'm gonna need to make another sword. Actually, I might do that now. Okay. Whoa, that pig's got a cool hat. I want it now. Mine! Daily. That sounds cool. Okay. So we're gonna keep heading in this general direction to see if anything else lays out here, lies out here even. Let's keep going. Then, so what I'm trying to do, is get Kyle, the owner of the Create Gaming server, to try and get another server and like put the if you can put mods on it so we can all play it together, which would be really awesome. I've contacted a few people. If he can't do it, I'll ask around if people if people know anybody who can do that. If so, that would be which way am I going? This way? No, I'm lost. I don't know which way I'm going. Wow, that was really weird. Okay, so, yeah, but yeah, it would really be awesome to get everyone on and play that together. It'd be like a learning experience for all of us. Okay, that's just around the hole. So let's keep going. Oh, what is this? Camper, hello! Hello, camper. Whoa, marshmallows for emeralds. How do you make marshmallows? How do you... How do you make marsh? Oh, sugar. Okay. Well, we'll get onto that next episode, guys. But, thanks for watching. Whoa, what is that? Oh, that's awesome. Oh, thanks for watching, guys. This has been episode 2 of An Afternoon with Wayne. Bye.